Hello friends, I am Hitesh Agarwal from PHP Academy. Today we are going to learn about Xdebug and how we can install in our PHP Storm. So let's go to screen. Before going to screen, I would like to request you that if you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe and keep yourself updated with our latest video. So let's go to screen now. So first of all, what is Xdebug? Xdebug is a tool from which you can debug your code very easily and very fastly instead of using echo print in your code. So it gives you the debugging of line by line. So let's go to our command. So now I will install my Xdebug. So now I will install Xdebug first. So sudo apt get install php xdebug. This command I have given in my description. So I already installed xdebug, so it gives me 0 newly installed. So now let's go to PHP Storm. So in PHP Storm, go to File, Settings. So here you can see install browser toolbar bookmark. So we will install the Xdebugger Chrome extension. So I will just click here. And here you will see different extension for different browsers. So we have Chrome, so we will install Xdebugger in Chrome. So here I can install it. So Xdebugger has been installed. So now you have to enable listening for PHP debug connection. So you have to click here, so it will show you stop listening. If you will click this, then it will be start listening, so it will not listen your debug code. So start listening and then OK. Now you have to make settings in your PHP ini file. So you have to sudo find type f name xdebug.so. So it will locate the xdebug.so file. So this is your xdebug.so file. So now I will go to my PHP ini file, nano etc php, then your version of PHP, Apache 2 and php.ini. So here we will write xdebug code, xdebug, then gen extension and paste that so file. Now we will enable it by default. So xdebug dot default enable equal to 1 and xdebug dot IDE key, because we are using PHP Storm, so we will write PHP Storm and we will save this file and we will restart our Apache. Okay. So now we will go to our PHP file website and we'll refresh this, and then we will enable our Xdebug. So our Xdebug has been enabled. So now I will go to my any file like Bootstrap and will add the breakpoint. So again, now I will go to my website and will refresh it. So it will give you the debug here. So it will come here and it will give you the variables, which variables are using here. So it will give you the result. So hope you understand how we can install the Xdebug and how we can use. So you can, if you want to like run the code step by step, so you can use this, and you can also press the F7. Okay, so it will comes again, and so it will debug your code line by line, and you can also skip this line and go to cursor, so you can just explore these commands. Okay, so if you want to stop, then you can stop from here as well, and also you can stop from here as well. Okay, so hope you understand the Xdebug and you will use it for your code debug. If you like this video and helpful for you, so please like this video and motivate us for create more videos for you. So thank you and keep watching.